Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Modelworks, and I've got an inbox review for you here. Yep, and it's another middle of Lidl kit. Airfix's 1/72 scale Sherman Firefly. A68221 is the kit number. Obviously, this is technically it's a start. This is one of the later starter sets. A little bit of information there. Cartograph decals. Obviously, as it's Lidl, they don't come with flying hours like in the kits. 1st Squadron, 2nd Armour Regiment, 10th Cavalry Brigade, Polish 1st Armoured Division, England, 1944. 2020 tooling, pack design 2022. So, yeah. I mean, the main issue is you've got to remove the gun. So this box has been opened because I opened it out of curiosity. There's the paints. There's the paintbrush. Here's the kit. And the instructions. Now you might have seen a few of my compadres do the kit quite quickly. So obviously I'll open this bag in a bit. We'll have a look at the instructions again. They're folded. They're A4 size. Lots of warnings. Little bit of history. It had the heady speed of 25 miles an hour. Best results wash. Again, as this is a later version, it comes with the A and B sprue. It comes with a sprue map here, and the instructions through there. So building up the lower hull, putting the gearbox on, fitting the engine covers, showing it as it's being built up, which is cool. Then we're fitting the wheels there. And fit the bits and pieces to the top of the tank. So it shows you where they all go. Fitting the gun lock, travel lock for the gun, fire extinguishers, and the infamous machine gun. Essentially cut that, obviously slice that off and put a patch on there out of plaster card, job done. For those who are completists. Again, gluing the upper part of the hull to the tank. Again, obviously it shows you the tracks there. Obviously you don't have to glue the tracks on when you built before you can glue them on afterwards, I believe. Sorry about that. Turret. Obviously the big bump out the back for the for the larger gun. Fitting that part. Fitting the gun in here. Fitting the front mount to it. Fitting the crew hatch. Aerial, fitting that to the turret, job done. Paint it green, job done. Yep, so fairly straightforward instructions there. There's the decals. Again, nicely detailed. I'll fold them up and put those back in the box. Let's open the bag. Pull the sprues out. Nothing in the bag. Chuck it away. So we've got 2 sprues with a lovely green plastic. This is frame A. So this has all the bits you're going to need to make the hull up. The lower hull and the upper hull. Again, effectively, just you need to do this so it's correct. You need to cut that piece off and put a plate on it. So obviously the gearboxes for the go on the front there. Not worried about a little piece of zinc on that. That's very nice. And this is the B sprue, which again has the tracks, the tracks and the wheels all done. So you can effectively either paint it all green. A little bit of flash on stuck on the wheel there. Yeah, it feels a bit oily this one, so this one definitely would have to be given a wash. On all the bits, the little muzzle brake you could probably drill out just to make it a little bit better. But that's quite a nice little tank actually. Not sure whether, well, I don't think the tracks are right because they haven't got the what's it on them, the tread, but never mind. Nice little lovely way they've detailed up those sprockets. Very nice it is too. Yeah, you can put those wheels on straight on after you built it, so you can take your time and paint all the kit and then fit it all together. Very nice it is too. So that's both sprues checked. And of course, for argument's sake, I will check the paints just to see. Probably won't use them though. Again, glue. We've got 53, which is gunmetal. 33, which is black. Oh yes, that's lovely black there. There you go, see that? And have to mix the 53 up. And 59 is the olive drab there. Again, mix them up. And they can go back in the bag. I might use them one day. But anyhow, that's just a quick review of the Airfix Sherman starter set. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.